I can confirm 100% that I found the right one for the lighter because I just burned it. Testing inside, so you see, no light. So now I know this is the positive side. This is the positive side. It burned here and it's dead, and I burn inside. So now I know. I'm glad I have a replacement. Yep. Burned. Let's see if I can show you. Yep. Separate there, you see? Right there. Burned. My understanding is you put the hot wire always here, the opposite side where the wire goes out on the tapping, which means that inside there, you see, I will put like this. God bless. Okay, here we go. So you have the tap here in the right position, and 2 of 20 inside a socket of 20, and you're gonna say it's not right. Yes, it's not, and I'll explain you why. The port is 20, we have 40, but the whole point is not using both together. Okay, I will not use the lighter to charge anything heavy while I'm using my lights, because it's connected to my my switch box. Now I have a switch box, and it cost me like $70 instead of like the 600, 700, 800 from G. Hey guys, moment of truth. I will activate here the ACC. It's in ACC, which means whatever is the current that is supposed to be on for devices that shut down when the car is off. Okay, here on, you can see on, it's good. Then here, the most important, on to the battery. Already connected everything, so you can see the monster. Let's see. Yep, connected. Okay, now we're gonna go for the most important part. That's the module that goes inside, like the switch itself. You put the stickers here, the lights will come on it, and it has the permanent light and the on activated light too. Pretty interesting, pretty lightweight. The best part is wireless. It connects through Bluetooth or radio or Wi-Fi, I don't know, but you can use these batteries, the AAAs, but you can also wire to have all the time energy. I don't want wires inside my car. I don't like it. So the pairing is like, you turn it on with 2 buttons, first and last. Okay, you turn it on, lights are on. Now I need to press in here, bip here, inside here. And then manual again. So I turn it on. It's on. Okay, it's on. It's on. I need to press 3 seconds, I think. One. Oh, it's already working. I can't believe I made it work. Yeah! Woo! Everything done. And now I can plug all my devices right here. Look at that. Right here. How cool is that? And I can close this too. Will look perfect. Like this. No wiring. Okay. Since now the switch module, wireless one, is installed here, we're gonna test it with rock lights. They're not wireless, but now they are. I connected the rock lights here. Connected to the rock lights. Here is the on button that I will leave always on, because I will control from inside. So let's see how it's gonna be inside, right? We're gonna turn the ACC ignition on. Okay, it's already on. Now we're gonna check here. Let's turn on the wireless thing. turns it on. Okay, I will turn the second one just to create a suspense. It works. The second one is on. Now we're gonna try the first one, that is the rock lights. Whoa! Okay, here we go. I made it work. Can you believe that, guys? So yeah, guys, everything working. Here is the switch. Here are the lights. Here is the remote. You see? I'll turn off the second one that is not the rocker lights, and now this one. It works perfectly. Yes, I did it.